Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get Photoshop for free. So the only legal way to get Photoshop for free is the trial 7 days version. Let's go to the Adobe site, then hit Creativity and Design and select Photoshop. After that, hit the free trial button. Here you could see different subscription plans. So if you need only Photoshop, you can choose the first one. If you want to have not only Photoshop but Lightroom as well, select the second plan. And if you want all the Adobe products, the third option is your best choice. Select the plan you like, and now you need to type in your email and hit Continue. On the next page, you can choose the payment method. It can be a credit card or PayPal. But don't worry, it won't take any money from your account during the trial period, and you can always cancel your subscription in your Adobe ID account. Once you have entered the information, you will see the page which leads you to your Adobe ID account, where you could download your trial Photoshop version. Another option to get a trial version of Photoshop for 30 days period is Adobe Photoshop Elements. Elements is a simplified version of Photoshop which has all the basic functions. So in case you need a simple software to finish your project, this app is the best choice for you. If you are using a tablet or mobile device, you could try the Photoshop Express app, which is available on App Store, Google Play and Windows Store. It's absolutely free. However, the functions of this software are limited, but you still can create collages, adjust color settings and add stickers to your photos. If you need some handy mobile app, this would be a great choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our channel if you want to learn how to start creating artworks with your trial version. We have free basic courses and step-by-step tutorials for everyone.